Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our Disney Villains collection that is returning on Monday with some brand new items. I'm stoked. It's beautiful and spooky. But before we dive in, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, that's it. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So we had our original Disney Villains collection launched some years ago, and then we had some additions to it. We've had like 2 different warmers, we've had 4 scents overall, and now we have most of the collection coming back with some brand new items, including a brand new warmer that I'm so freaking excited for. Our Disney Villains collection is back with returning fragrances and amazing new products inspired by some of Disney's most notorious villains. The Just One Bite Scentsy Warmer is inspired by the iconic symbol of Disney Evil Queen's poisoned apple. It includes 2 inserts that can be used together or separately to illuminate the villain that lies within it. With the red sleeve placed inside the warmer first and the illustrated sleeve placed behind it, the Evil Queen remains hidden until the light bulb is illuminated. The salty sea witch is making her appearance as a brand new Scentsy Buddy. She is pure fabulousness with a larger-than-life personality. Each Disney Ursula Buddy comes with a scent pack in her exclusive fragrance, Poor Unfortunate Souls. And check out the Wilted Rose Fragrance Flower. Darkness spreads throughout this pre-dyed Wilted Rose Fragrance Flower as it releases our Disney Villains fragrances, gradually turning the petals black as if it were poisoned from within. So yeah, isn't that awesome? So here are a few more pictures of the warmer. Notice the Evil Queen is peeping in the warmer dish, which I love. The Just One Bite warmer will be available on Monday for $50. This one has a 20-watt bulb. It is hand painted, it glows when lit, it sits 5.5 inches tall, and it is made out of ceramic. And the Ursula Scentsy Buddy is actually the only buddy that Maddie has told me that she does not want. So we actually got to see her at SFR this past July, and I took a picture with her and I showed it to Maddie whenever I got home, and she said, I don't want that. Because we love the Little Mermaid, but we do not love Ursula in this house because she is definitely a very, very mean sea witch. But the Ursula Scentsy Buddy comes with a Poor Unfortunate Souls scent pack for $45, and she sits a total of 17 inches tall. And so I believe that's her sitting on the ground and then up, I guess. I don't really know, but I love her. I think she's really cute. I would love to see more like Disney villain buddies. Like imagine a Scar buddy. Scar is my favorite Disney villain. So comment down below who's your favorite villain in the Disney universe, because Scar is definitely mine just because I love Lion King so much. And then we have the new Wilted Rose Fragrance Flower. So these are pre-dyed. Each scent has their own color, and they first turn their color and then they turn into black as if the rose is wilting. These are going to be available for $20 each. Yes, they're a little bit more than original like fragrance flowers in the catalog and stuff, but it's because these are licensed. And they're going to be available in all 3 of the Disney villain fragrances. And we're going to talk about the wax last. I wanted to talk about all the brand new stuff first. So the Dark and Devious fragrance flower is going to be a purple to black. The Just One Bite will be red to black. And the Poor Unfortunate Souls will be blue to black. So these scents are also coming back as waxes, which I have because Scentsy spoils us and lets us get these in early. I recently warmed all 3 of them again with Falling Apples. That was the one that I paired with the Evil Queen. But I'm super happy with these. I'm sad that the Maleficent one is not returning. I know that one was really, really well loved, so I don't know why they decided not to bring back Maleficent. Ooh, imagine a Maleficent buddy, like the dragon, her dragon form, a buddy. That would be really, really cool. That would be really cool. But here is the Dark and Devious. So this one is returning. I absolutely adore this one. It warms perfectly with the Nightmare Before Christmas scents, the Halloween Town, and Jack's Obsession. This is the fragrance flower that's purple to black. So the wax is also purple. And this one is brooding black pepper, star anise, and cinnamon. Stir up a plot with smoked absinthe and ancient hemlock for the ultimate revenge. Honestly, I don't even really know what all those things are. So, other than the black pepper, but it is just good and spooky. Perfect for fall. If you love blackberry spice that's in the catalog, you're going to love this. If you like Halloween Town from the previous Nightmare Before Christmas collection, you're going to love this. If you have not tried it, it's a really, really awesome scent to have in the fall and winter on hand. And like I said, the fragrance flower will be available with that one, and that is the purple one. And then the Evil Queen, so just one bite. This is the one that the warmer was inspired by. This is the Evil Queen one, and she is the red flower. So this was actually in the original Disney Villains collection, like whenever we first ever launched Disney Villains. This is the perfect fall apple. I'm not even kidding. Try this if you like a cinnamon spicy fall apple, because it's so good. So this flower is red and then it turns black. And this one is the temptation is too much to resist when poisoned apple, hidden deep in forest woods, blends with warm cinnamon and menacing black molasses. It's so good. This forms perfectly with any apple scent and any spice. So like first day of fall, autumn road trip, falling apples, baked apple pie. I really like this one with the Hocus Pocus, the Sanderson sisters. That would also warm well with the Dark and Devious. Like this is just a perfect Halloween / fall / winter scent. So good. It has a very great performance. Every time that this one comes back, I always have a bunch. I don't know why I haven't added it to my club yet. I probably should whenever it comes out on Monday. But I really love having this. Like I always have one on hand for myself because it is just a great fall scent. And then last but not least on the scents in this Disney collection, we have the Ursula Poor Unfortunate Souls. So this one is also available as a scent pack individually. So you'll be able to purchase that individually. If you don't want the Ursula Buddy, you can get her scent pack. So you can add her scent pack to other buddies. But this one is blue. The flower is blue to black. This one is an alluring potion of wild blackberry, scarlet raspberry, and bubbly goji berry wrapped up in vengeful vanilla silk will leave you spellbound. So this one was one that like I was excited to try again because in the past I just had remembered it not being that strong, and I really, really like strong scents. But this, I'm glad it came back because I warmed it again. I warmed it in the master bed and bathroom, and the performance of it in that like closed off space was great. This one's definitely like a fresh, fruity, like a fresh, it's definitely going to have to smell a little bit like oceany, you know what I mean? Because it's Ursula and she's a sea witch, but it definitely has that more fruity note to it. But not too fruity that all of these wouldn't pair perfectly together. Literally, if you need a 3-bar mix, if you don't know, like if you're just now experimenting like what scents to warm together, these 3 together, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So all 3 of the waxes are also coming back individually. So you can purchase 1 for $6.50, 3 for $18.50, and 6 for $32.50. And you can also bundle these with other licensed Scentsy bars. So Harry Potter, Disney, anything that's licensed, you can bundle these with. Same thing goes for the Poor Unfortunate Souls scent pack. It is licensed, it is available individually, and you can bundle it with other licensed scent packs. And the fragrance flowers, again, will be available individually for $20 each. So fragrance flowers last up to 60 days or just until the flower is completely dried up. These flowers are all handmade, like Sola wood flowers. I forget what it's called actually. But all it is kind of like a little reed diffuser. It comes with a little jar of oil, and so you take out the flower whenever you're putting it together. You rip off the little piece of like paper on the actual like reed stem, and then you stick the flower in the oil, and then you let it absorb. As it absorbs, it's going to be releasing the fragrance for up to 60 days or until the flower is completely dried up. I love these. I can't wait to have some black ones and put them out for decor. I might have to get all three. I don't know. If I had to choose one, I would probably choose, for the flower, I'd probably choose the Dark and Devious because it's purple. And so I don't know, but then the red one and then the blue one's fruity. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But anyways, yes, that's it. That is the Disney Villains collection that is coming on September 18th while supplies last. The waxes will be eligible for Scentsy Club, so if you fall in love with them, you can add them to Club and then they will lock in with the Always Get My Bar perk. But if you want to pre-order any of these items, I do have an order list open right now. You can actually fill out the Google form linked down below. It'll come to me and I'll reach out to you over the weekend to finalize your order. Or if you have me on social like Facebook or Instagram, just message me through there and I can take care of that for you. But that's it. Again, I want to know in the comments, who is your favorite Disney villain? And what do you think of the collection? And what would you like to see in future Disney Villains updates? I think the Maleficent Dragon would be awesome. I think a Scar Scentsy Buddy would be awesome. I think Scar deserves his own scent. That's just my 2 cents. I think we need more scents. That would be really fun. There's so many great Disney villains out there that, and I say that, I promise you I'm not like secretly evil, but you know, like there's so many awesome, like Cruella de Vil, Hades, and like so many more. That's just whoever the other ones on here, but so many awesome Disney villains. But let me know down in the comments all your thoughts down below. But thank you guys for watching. As always, don't watch me, join me for only $40 in September, and I'll see you in the next one.